Hello everybody, got another unboxing for you from Provident Metals this time. It's a pretty substantial order. So silver spot price has been down really low in proportion to how it was earlier in the year. So it's really a lot less. So I thought I'd make I thought I'd buy some stuff from Provident Metals while the spot price was so low. So that's what I have today. A Provident Metals keychain. And where's the rest? Okay. So here it is. So let's start. Well, first of all, we have that magnet there. Okay. So let's start with this. These are some quarters. And they're all silver quarters. There should be 24 here. Oh gosh, I'm breaking the bag. Just trying to cut this open somehow, because it's taped up. Alrighty, there we are. So we have all that. Ooh, look what we have here. We have, oh my gosh, we have a standing Liberty quarter. Right there. We'll let it focus. Come on. We go 1929. And we have this, which is a barber quarter from the year. Oh, come on. I'll just tell you, it's from 1914. Anyway, my phone does not want to focus. But anyway, that was mixed in with these quarters. Here's another Standing Liberty quarter from 1927. Oh my gosh, here's another barber quarter from the year 1906. Another barber quarter from the year 1912. Wow. Normally they just send these Washington quarters that are silver. This one's from 1936. But this time they sent 2 Standing Liberties and 3 barber quarters, which is very nice of them. So that's pretty cool. Next, I finally purchased some high premium rounds. Finally. This is a Austrian Philharmonic, sorry. So there it is. There it is, my first Australian Philharmonic coin. Austrian Philharmonic. Here we are. Okay. So that's one thing I got. I also got, finally, my first maple leaf from Canada. There it is. The 2014 maple leaf. And this is a coin with the purity of 99.9999% silver. Has 4 nines, one of the only coins that has that purity, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. A third coin with a relatively high premium is this one. My very first Australian koala. Reason I got all these coins is because silver spot price was just so low. So I decided to get some more expensive stuff. Australian koala. Obviously from Australia. Very, very reflective. Makes it difficult to focus. There we are. That's fantastic. Alrighty. Then, I also got my very first American Silver Eagle. Right there in 2014. All of these coins are 2014. Finally got the American Silver Eagle. Beautiful. Okay, here's the reverse. Oh, very nice. And finally, so those 4 coins, and I also got this. My very first Australian kookaburra. I mean, these coins I think are absolutely gorgeous. The kookaburra coins. This is 2014. Oh, that's so nice. Here's the reverse. And these are all 1 ounce of silver. There it is. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. So, to give you guys a bit of an overview, I got 5 high premium ounces, so they are worth, I mean, they cost much more than spot price. Normally I get spot price stuff, but this time I got some premium stuff. So we have that, and I got 20 90% silver quarters. Here they are. And I got some Barbers mixed in there and some Standing Liberty quarters mixed in there. So I'll have a fun time looking through that, see if I can find any semi-key dates or anything like that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.